I can't stop the drugs.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hampshire County in eastern West Virginia until 5:45 p.m. At 4:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Wardensville, Oregon, 12 miles south of Romney, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Delray, Yellow Spring, and Kirby. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.